what is radiation and why is it bad? So radiation, it's small packets of energy or charged particles moving at speed. And the reason why these packets or particles are created is because inherently unstable or radioactive elements, like uranium, they want to become stable. So, in order to do this, they'll let off a couple protons and a couple neutrons, or small packets of energy, and this creates radiation. Now, there are three primary types of radiation. You have alpha radiation. The particles here are two protons and two neutrons from nuclei. This comes from all your big boy radioactive elements like uranium. It's relatively large, so it will usually just deflect off your skin. It can be stopped relatively easily by a solid barrier. But the problem is, it can't get into you, but it also can't get out of you. So be sure not to ingest any sort of radioactive dust or let it get into you through a cut or other opening on your body, because if it gets in, it's not coming out. There's beta radiation. This is smaller particles than alpha radiation, but it is still stopped relatively easily by a solid barrier, though you might need more matter between you and it. Same things apply. And gamma radiation, this is spread through photons, which is massless packets of energy. This will require a lot of protection, so try and stay away from gamma radiation. And the reason why radiation is harmful is our bodies are composed of a bunch of small cells, right? And these cells, they're going to die out eventually. So, in order to replace them, they undergo mitosis to create a new copy. In order to do this, they need their DNA intact. It acts as sort of a blueprint that tells the cell how it should replicate and create the new one. So the problem is DNA, it's very microscopic. So say we have our two proton, two neutron alpha radiation. It's very, very small. It's not seen by the human eye like DNA. But if radiation impacts your DNA, your double strand, whatever double helix you want to call it, then yeah, as you can see, it can break it or damage it in some way. And imagine if I ripped up the blueprint to a building and told you to build it. So that's going to increase the rate for a defective cell, which is cancer. I hope that you understood. I'm sorry. Bye.